I've seen Fresh Kicks do this. Remove this, and he went with the eBay part, the Nismo. If you get this kit, it is going to be the smallest one that you see, and you put a rubber fitting on it. Now we look like R2-D2. Something small, but makes a big difference. We are going to continue going on with the little things in this car. I think we're gonna have to clean this up. Maybe, I'm not sure exactly what. We can probably like peel most of this off. It looks like it does come off right away, and then we'll wrap it. Let's see how we're gonna do this. I think the first thing we gotta do is actually take this off though. We use the same prying tool as when we installed the speakers. Pry this open like this, and we got some alcohol wipes. We're gonna start, you know, getting abrasive, because, you know, alcohol is not the friendliest thing for a lot of finishes. I feel like it'll loosen up whatever paint this is. Yeah, I can already see some of it coming off. Already trying to like peel, and it's working for me. Look at that. Jeez, just gonna have to wipe it a couple more times. So starting, you look something like this. Once you're done with the alcohol wipes, you look something clean like this. Now we're gonna go down here, and I don't want to take off the whole door, so we're just gonna try to wipe this down, at least get it to this stage. I think I have to do this next. All right, so this is what we're looking like right now. In here, cleaned up a little bit more. Let's get this wrapped. Get rid of this. I believe it's best to go from underneath so you don't see the prying marks. Be careful, this is like a aluminum piece, it could break. There you go. And once you do that, there's 2 screws in here. Yeah, so it is a 10 mil on the top and bottom. We'll have to get rid of this arm bar before we get to this. When I wrap it, I just do this flat surface. I don't reach down here. After taking off this piece, we're able to take this off. Wrapping this car pretty quickly. It may not be perfect, but you can already tell there's a big difference of the way it looks. It's going to be a drift car, so this isn't a really big thing, but it's something that I view every day, so it's important to me. Install this part right now. Takes 2 seconds. And bam. Doesn't that look a lot better? Maybe a throwback clip, and then boom. Looks a little funny with that at the bottom, but 10 times better. We'll have to wrap this next, and we'll get to the other side. So I'll start with this little piece right here. So I already kind of molded it. Now I'm just gonna cut around. Couple of things you can notice is that there's 3 different layers. There is the paint, there is this coat underneath the paint, almost acting like a primer, kind of looks like plastic dip, but this is what you want to peel so it's consistent all around. Usually soaking it with a lot of alcohol wipe will get it loose enough so that you can actually go ahead and keep peeling. One tip I'll give you guys is try to peel it all in groups. It makes it a lot easier, because if you try doing it little by little, you're going to be sitting there for a long time. And be gentle, just go slow. That'll actually speed you up. And there you go. Got this thing wrapped. We're gonna put on the car and we'll show you what it looks like. So I'm actually recording this a little bit later, but you can see the interior is different and it looks just clean. It looks, I don't know, unique. It doesn't look like the interior is falling apart. A little bit more wrap on this because the silver wasn't matching, and I think that came out pretty sick. I also ended up getting a Tomei shift knob, which is sick. This is what the other side looks like. So that is completely wrapped, and it's been holding on pretty well. This is wrapped for like at least 3 months now. Ended up doing this part because it's pretty easy, because it's already off, and this is kind of coming up a little bit, but it looks clean. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's nice, short, and simple, so you guys can do it at home. Let me know if you guys want to see more content like this. I am excited about this 350Z now. This is like talking in the future. You guys have a lot to see with this adventure, and it's gonna be a great journey. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and leave this video a like. Stay tuned.